for the July week. Husband here, and today we're going to do a review on this fantastic new cookies called Firework Oreo. As you can see, these cookies look like the original Oreos, but with some popping candy on the inside, you know, like Pop Rocks. And it's like, let me see how much you get in here. They're like 2 cookies per serving size, and 10 servings per container. And this limited edition is released this year. And here's the back of the package. The back of the package has an advertisement for some cinnamon Oreos and other cake Oreos. I haven't seen those yet, but hopefully when I start to get them, I'll review them for you guys. They look really interesting. And the Pop Rocks, they're quite interesting because you pop your mouth. Well, I'm gonna open them up for you guys right now. Okay. Going out. See? Looks real gorgeous inside. Little candy pieces in it. Now I'm gonna pop in my mouth. There's a lot of pop going on. There's definitely a lot of pop going on. At least it didn't have too much of the popping candy to overpower the taste of the cookie itself. Thankfully, the cookie did overpower the popping flavor, so therefore you can still have some sweet and have the candy pop in your mouth at the same time. Now I'm gonna do another one. This time it's a milk. It's still popping from earlier. There we go. That's really nice. It's good. It tastes a bit better when it's not in milk. Still a lot of popping going on. Pop, 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 pop. One more. This time I'm gonna take the top off. Here's what the inside looks like. There's beautiful little candy pieces right in the inside. Now I'm gonna lick it. It's quite interesting. It's a long pop going on, and now I just have the papers left. Yeah, the nut popping flavor lasted quite a long time. Lucky didn't really overpower the cookie itself because it's still delicious. So therefore, I highly recommend these Firework Oreo cookies. I got mine on for like between $2.98 and $3. And I want to thank you guys for this review. I want to thank you guys to come to our channel. If you're new subscriber, please do so. Please subscribe, and if you want to see more videos, just check out every Wednesday. And as usual, I got 4 to say to you guys. Peace, love, celebrate this. For now, and have a good 4th of July.